Hey, what's up? This your boy Big Man. You already know what it is, man. So let's get right to it. Okay, so today we're gonna be talking about NBA Youngboy. So it looks like NBA Youngboy is still locked up, man, and there's not much information out there about what's going on next. Now, there's a guy, his name is Lawyer for Workers. I've used his videos before, and he basically laid it out there on what he thinks is gonna happen in the future with NBA Youngboy. Because going into this week, we thought we'd get more news, or at least some news this morning about what's going down as far as his case is concerned, but that didn't happen. Now, before we get to the specifics and actually talk about another strange development in the situation, do me a favor. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and man, let's get it. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, man, let's talk about this whole NBA Youngboy situation. Now, it looks like the only update that they got going right now is no update, man. Based on some information that's out there in NBA Youngboy's case file, you can see there was a request for a transcript from Louisiana to Los Angeles, and it looks like that's the only filings besides some motions and things like that have been put in this case file, right? Now, other than that, we're still awaiting news if he's going to be lifted off of this bond hold that California has him under. Now, there's a guy by the name of Lawyer for Workers, and I've been using some of his material just so a lawyer can break this down, because I'm no lawyer and I can't give legal advice. But man, let's check what he said about the situation, because I'm sure a lot of people have been hitting him up. And it looks like from the background, he's about to do an interview with Vlad. So, we'll get a plethora of information in the future. But check out this clip.
As are for the Youngboy update. I haven't seen anything yet. If I had to guess, what's happening is his lawyers are currently talking to the California prosecutors and just trying to work it out between them. And the California prosecutors are probably saying, well, why don't you send us the transcript and the paperwork showing the judge's decision, and we'll review it and we'll get back to you. And then his lawyers are probably like, nah, we can't wait for all that. You know what it is. Let go of this hold. And then they're probably like, nah, we need to see the paperwork. And so then I'm guessing after that process of going back and forth with them concludes today, probably tomorrow, his lawyers will go ahead and file the paperwork asking the judge to do it without the government's cooperation. We'll see. But again, like I said, I fully expect that the California judge is going to reach the same conclusion that the New Orleans judge reached, which is that you can give him a bond, put him on home confinement, put him on location monitoring, have him put up $1.5 million in property, and you can let him out. So just wait and see, calm down, relax.
Now, based on what the Lawyers for Workers guy said right there, you can tell that, it seems like a paperwork, technicality type of situation that's going on right now, because obviously, California, the ball is in their hands, and you've got NBA Youngboy's attorneys eager to get him out. Now, NBA Youngboy's legal team did something today, or filed something today with some folks out there in Los Angeles that, it looks like they're a part of the same firm, but there was a wire transfer that was large, man. It looks like it was like $500,000. And I'm not sure if that is payment for them to represent him out there in California, or what that is, but it came directly from the NBA Youngboy LLC. So we'll see how that plays into this in the future as well. But based on what that attorney said, it sounds like they're automatically going to go to the judge and try to get NBA Youngboy free, regardless of the issue, because they don't want the prosecutors playing any games, holding things up for him or whatnot, man. And it looks like, based on all the information from NBA Youngboy's case file, at least the things that are public or that the public can see, it seems like, man, they working hard to try to get him free, man. They doing their thing. It's just a process, I guess. And I know his fans can't wait for him to get back home, or at least even to his home in Utah. But, man, it looks like we got a little bit more of a wait to go for it, man. Now, with that, what do you guys think about this situation? Do you think like they messing with NBA Youngboy, or they're playing too many games? Or do you feel that this is just a process, and just because, the judge gave him bond and said that they approved, and now that California put the hold on it, it's not going to be an overnight thing. You're going to have to wait and see how things develop, wait and see how things, turn out, because California still doesn't have to uphold the bond. Even though, that Lawyer for Workers dude, he said that he believes that they will, and that they won't see any reason to go against the other federal judge. We still have to wait and see for that too. So, man, when NBA Youngboy gets free, it's going to be a surprise for everyone and for all. And specifically for his family and his kids and stuff. They're probably waiting and just, anticipating this just as much as anybody else. You know what I mean? And I'm judging by what the Lawyer for Workers dude said, man. obviously, man, people been hitting him up in his DMs or something, trying to get the NBA Youngboy update. I know Youngboy's fan base is strong, so I could only imagine what they were saying. They're probably, hey, what's up with Youngboy? What's up with Youngboy? I'm pretty sure he's getting messages every day, all day. But man, until we hear something breaking, man, about the situation, it looks like we all just got to sit back and wait. Now, with that, this has been your boy Big Man. Do me a favor. Hold up. What do you guys think about this situation? Do you think they playing with Youngboy? Or do you think this is just the process of the legal system and you got to stand by, man, hurry up and wait type of deal, man? Now, with that, this has been your boy Big Man. Do me a favor. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you get a notification every time I drop this hot content. And we out of here. Peace.